Right, brother, what will you say about this government? You are seeing from morning these arrests are continuing. What will you say about this?
Being a student, I'm not satisfied with this government because they have released a job calendar as per manifesto before ML election November 2023, in which it is mentioned that notification definitely will release if Congress government once come to power. Congress government came power and he became a chief minister of Telangana, and everything is running from last 20 months, but we did not get notification for the first time after that Telangana became our chief minister of Telangana with the help of Mallikarjun Kharge. They have given this calendar. It is mentioned that notification will release from 1/6/2024, phase 2 15/12/2024 notification will release, but these notifications did not come on a time. May after 2 months of time we have agitated the government. After 2 months of time they have revised the calendar in a assembly with the help of deputy chief minister of Telangana, and they have assured us that notification will come according to calendar, but we did not get notification again as per calendar because they have halted the calendar due to SC subclassification issue. Already we have waited for 8 months of time because they have halted the notification on the basis of SC subclassification, and SC subclassification is over. Now we are asking the government of Telangana, please give us notification and we will write the exam. But the government is not listening to us. They are going for elections like GHMC, Jubilee Hill bypolls. There are so many elections in Telangana. Again we have to face for election code, and we don't want to face for election code because we are getting old, and we have so much of financial problems. So our main agenda is to wake up the government because they have given 2 times of calendar, and those 2 time calendar are jobless for us. So it is my request to Chief Minister of Telangana and Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana and 117 ML of Telangana, please raise this issue and we want notification. And my request to Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, because Mallikarjun Kharge is present is here during the release of the job calendar as per manifesto, but no one is asking to Chief Minister of Telangana regarding job notification. Today
But the government is saying we didn't mention the 2 lakhs job notification jobs in a year, that we did not mention in the manifesto. Like that, the politicians are saying. What will you say?
you can see this is the calendar which was released by Mallikarjun Kharge. I am not lying anything.
Some of
It
the
is a
political
paper.
leaders, Congress leaders are saying
They are lying. Okay, they did not say forget about 2 lakh jobs, but they have given calendar in which it is mentioned that notification will come Transco. You can see this is the revised calendar which was revised by Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana. The date of revised calendar 2/8/2024. Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana. It is mentioned that group services and engineering and other posting TG transport TG at SPDCL exam will be in January 25. But we did not get notification. Again and again we are coming on roads and we are telling our stories to government, but there is no one who is listening to us.
Some of the public representatives are telling there is a political party behind the unemployed students. What will you say about it?
Actually, I am a non-political student. We don't have any connection to any political party, right? We don't have any relation with BRS, Congress, MIM. Because I am a student, I need a job. I born in Telangana. I don't want to enter in politics. I don't want to take any help of politicians. If you release notification, definitely we will sit on our homes and we will write the examination. That is our main issue. We don't have any support of any political party, and we don't have any background from a
But the
politics.
government is saying very strongly there is a political party behind the students.
No one is here. You can see that there are so many people. Why we came here? Are you seeing any political party? Are you seeing any person from TRS, MIM, BJP? We don't have any political background. They have given a calendar. That's why today we came here. They have given a calendar. They revised a calendar. We need a notification only. Today we came here because they have assured that for the first time after the became of Telangana after 2014, Congress government is the only one who gave a calendar. So that's why on the basis of calendar today we came here. Our main issue is to wake up the government. They have given a calendar. They have forget. So we need only notification. If they release a notification,
Still they are not ready to invite in Gandhi Bhavan. What will you say about it?
because we are a student, they should actually we have casted our vote in favor of Congress government because they have given a calendar. For the first time, they have given a calendar. They have assured before the ML election. They have given a calendar 2 times. So that's why we are coming to Gandhi Bhavan for asking. We are not protesting against Congress government. It's a good government only, but we are asking jobs only. If you release notification, we will prepare for exam only.
Why don't they ready to invite you in Gandhi Bhavan?
That is the main thing only. That's why today we came here. Actually, we are roaming here and there only because police officers are arresting us because it's become a dictatorship. Because being a Telangana student, our right to ask the government because we have casted our vote in favor of Congress. So that's why we are asking.
Actually, what is your today's program? It's a strike or something?
No, it is nothing but a strike. It is nothing but protest. Simply, softly, we are giving representation to Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana regarding our issue. By being a Chief Minister of Telangana, it is a duty of CM to take care of the student, Telangana student. As he is CM, he is a most powerful person of Telangana. He has told that we will give notification. So if he release a notification, definitely we will sit in our home only and we prepare for exam only.
The CM, the government is saying this is Prajapalana, but they are not ready to even invite in Gandhi Bhavan for the unemployment students. What will you say about this?
Because we are a student, we have casted our party and we have to knock the door of Congress only because Congress is in power. So that's why we are knocking the door of Congress only. We are not taking any help
Congress is caring to students?
So that's why today we came on a road now. If they care, if they release a notification, we will not come on a roads. They have mentioned that notification will come on time to time, but notification did not come on time to time. That's why today we came here. And we are knocking the door of Gandhi Bhavan, Praja Bhavan. We went to TG Transco office, we went to SPDCL office, we went to TG Genco office. We met to MLC Dayakar. In 2024, we met to Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana. We went to Gandhi Bhavan. Everyone is treating like us we are traitor.
Then finally, what do you demand to Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, who is our Chief Minister, and also recently you met, you people are met Addanki Dayakar MLC. What will you demand to?
We need only notification. If you release a notification, we will sit in our home only. We don't have any political relation. We want only notification. Because 20 months have been over. He is serving as a Chief Minister of Telangana last 20 months. Being a student, we did not get anything. Because the KCR, the former Chief Minister of Telangana, has separated the Andhra and Telangana on the basis of unemployed issue only. Because we are unemployed of Telangana, we are roaming on roads. They are promising us they will release a notification, but we did not get a notification. So that's why our main issue is to wake up the government to release a notification only.